Once you learn to make this cute little lamb, you will not want to stop with just one. They are so cute in an Easter basket, just in decor around the home. Making this cute little lamb out of yarn. Let me show you how to make the pom-pom. Link the thread. Lay it across your hand between your fingers. I'm going to pull that back. Then just wrap this until it is nice and full around your hand. I wrapped it over 100 times around. I'm going to cut it off here. We'll see how big this little lamb ends up being. Okay, I have my thread here that I put underneath, and I stuck a piece between my fingers, and I just pull that out. This is underneath, okay, and this is still on my hand. So this that is tied under it, I pull out, but I want a tight knot. But if you have someone that can hold it for you, so much the better. Okay. So here we have a knot around the first side. I take this off my hand and wrap it further around and get the other side in it. I go back. I go ahead and make a nice tight knot right here. And then I like to wrap it again and get it all the way around. So that will include the first part and the second, and tie it again around the whole thing, and be sure it's very tight, because when we trim this up, we don't want those little yarns coming out. But once you learn how to make pom-poms, you can make all sorts of things out of them. Now the part that comes up here that was wrapped around your hand, you just take some nice scissors and go through and clip all the way around like a circle here, the part that was wrapped around your hand. Okay? It's very similar to how you do it with a pom-pom maker. Everybody doesn't have a pom-pom maker, and I wanted the girls in the class to learn how they can make things just, with what they have. Now this is one scraggly looking piece. I now go through and start trimming all these pieces that are extra long. I'm leaving it oblong since it's a lamb. I'm actually going to leave it kind of pretty scruffy because I think that looks cuter. I got all the threads just need to be trimmed. Oh, there it is before we put the feet on or the face on. I just wanted this one to be fluffy and kind of wild looking. That basic way to make a pom-pom will help you be able to create all sorts of cool things for your home and for your children. They'll love it. For the little label that I want to put on my lamb, I just printed out a sheet of labels from Avery, and this one is, what it says is, it is not about the bunny, it is about the lamb, talking about the Lamb of God. For the face, I just sketched a simple little shape that probably a good way to describe it would be like an oval and then a banana stuck on laying across the top of the head. And that kind of gives you this shape for this little sheep face. I'm just using some white acrylic paint. Let's just make a little mark here with white paint. You can paint the eyes on too, but I had some googly eyes, so I am going to glue some little eyes on it. But just with the white paint, you can just make a simple little design there that makes it look a little bit more like a sheep. It's a simple little face, but it actually looks cute. I made some little small black pom-poms. You can either use these simple little tools that help you make a pom-pom, or you can do it like I showed you. Just for these, instead of wrapping it around my whole hand, I just wrapped it around 2 fingers and still had a strip of yarn coming out between my fingers, and then just wrapped that around and did it the same way as this, but much smaller, and then just trimmed them up tiny. So just picked the bottom, glued them on the bottom like that. Isn't that cute? I think that's the cutest little lammy. If you wanted to make a sign, you could use a hole punch and put ribbon through it. This is another little project that's going to be for my little church class. And you could just make it without even putting the little sign on it if you want. I'm going to start at the back, pull the hemp through, put another little hole over there. I'll just put it right there. So we'll just have those ends loose and just tie it right around his little neck. And you can dress up this little lamb however you want. If you want to put a little bow on its ear or ribbon, or, you know, around its neck and a bell, just creative. Just be creative and enjoy it. Okay, so here's the finished little lamb. Didn't take long at all. It'll be just perfect for my little class of girls. It is not about the bunny. It is about the lamb. And they'll get to learn how to make pom-poms just using their hand. So they can just take some craft materials and be creative and make some cute things out of it. This, of course, is teaching them about Easter. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.